How to sync Google Authenticator across all devices. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you sync Google Authenticator across your all devices. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the Google Authenticator app on your device. So simply you have to open it, and now from here, after logging with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to go the option 3 line just at the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to go the option transfer codes. So simply tap on it. Alright, so here you got two options, like you can export code or you can import the code. So from here you'll have to go the options export code. Alright, so after here you'll have to confirm your device security. Okay, so after you confirm the device security, you will be able to see your codes to export from your Google Authenticator app. So right now I have no any codes here. So in your case, it might be available your codes there. So from there you will have to select the codes whom you want to share across all devices. So from there you can generate a QR code that stores every course on that. So from there you will be able to sync Google Authenticator across all devices. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.